My name is Jayashree. I am basically a mathematics teacher. I am very passionate about the subject and I love to teach and learn mathematics. And I've been teaching the subject for almost a decade in this company called BASE Educational Services Private Limited. Today I am here to present a new program that we have introduced at BASE, and the name of the program is Board Pro. So first let us just take an introduction about BASE Educational Services Private Limited. So basically it was started some 3 decades ago in the year 1991. So the goal of the people in the organization were to help meritorious students into getting into premier institutes or institutions of medical and engineering, like the IITs or the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, the JIPMER. So their main focus was into training or coaching the students into IITs and different premier institutes of medicine. Later on, a program called Foundation Science and Technology was started. This aimed at strengthening the basics of the students at the school level, so that their understanding, or basically it was like a bridge where they could easily cross over from the school to the college without having much stress. So that is why the foundation program was introduced. And today we are into research and development. We are also into consultancy services. We are into training services. In fact, we have a couple of pre-university colleges in Bangalore and in Karnataka. We have one in Bannerghatta Road. We have one in West of Cord Road, one in Jeevan Bhima Nagar. We have in Mysuru, Sahakar Nagar and Hubballi. And as it is flashing on your screen, we also have some 11 offline centers of learning for the school level programs and also for the higher level. So when I say school level, it is for class 8, 9 and 10. So the foundation program that I was talking about is being offered to students at the school level. And all these years we were so focused on foundation and also helping the students achieve very well in the competitive exams that come through during the school time. That is the Olympiads, or it could be the NTSE. But then we came across students who had their own queries about how to attempt a board exam and how to effectively get good marks in boards. So we used to think that coaching for a competitive exam, the board is going to be a cakewalk for them, but the students had their own queries. They used to come to us asking for the presentation, the way to present the answers, and how much I should write for a 2-marker, or how much should I write for a 4-marker, where are the diagrams required, where not to draw a diagram. So there were a lot of queries, and the time management. So most of the students came back to us with telling us that they couldn't complete the paper on time, right? So we thought that just training them in competitive exams may be not enough. So we should introduce a program which with the main objective of helping them ace in their board exams too. So with that in mind, we started, we are now launching the Board Pro. So basically it is to excel in the boards, and it also means that it is very much oriented towards the boards. So it's a program for excelling in the boards. Okay. So through this few minutes, I'm going to talk about what is the meaning of Board Pro and how can BASE help the students in achieving their goal of getting very good marks in their board examinations. What is the testing mechanism that we have? How are we going to monitor the children? How are we going to mentor them? And also we are going through the benefits and expectations from the students. Towards the end, of course, I'll also be introducing different programs that we are offering at BASE, and I'm also going to take you through the results that we have achieved this year. So let's move on to this. Board Pro. So as of course the name suggests, it is going to aid the students very specifically for making them do very well in their school assessments or in the board examinations. So what are all the components that are required for a student to excel in board examination? First point is they must have a very good concept clarity. Okay, I can give you an example with respect to mathematics. Let's say I'm going to tell that this example actually I take to all my students because it's the simplest example to make them realize how important concept clarity is. So when I say sum of two sides should be greater than the third side, okay, yeah, all of us learn it in our books. But point number one, what happens if let's say the two sides, sum of two sides are equal to the third side? Or point number two, if the sum of two sides is less than the third side. So it's a small experiment. You people can try it out with your sticks. You might be having some broomsticks in your house. You can just try it out. You can take an 8 centimeter stick as the longest, and then two more with 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters in length, and check out what happens. Can you form a triangle, or what happens to those sticks? The second case, you can take an 8 centimeter stick, another one 4 centimeters, another one let's say some 2 centimeters, and see what happens, whether you can form a triangle or not. So basically once you do that, you will be very, very clear that sum of two sides indeed should be greater than the third side. Okay, so concept clarity, and you will never forget that concept at all. So concept clarity is very important. So that is the first thing, that is what comes in the first place. The second thing is how to present the answer. So as I told you, the anxiety of the students of the presentation. What are the steps, stepwise presentation of answers, how it should be done? Because you have something called as a marking scheme even in the boards. So every couple of steps will get you a set of marks that are allotted for that. Okay, so how to present it in steps. Then the third thing, how much to write. So how much should you write for a 2 marker, how much should you write for a 4 marker? So all of this comes under presentation skills, isn't it? Where should you draw a diagram, and where is diagram not necessary? So that point is very, very important. The third one, equally important, is that question paper pattern. You should be able to get a good hang of the pattern of question paper. So once you know how it works, so how many 1 markers are there, how many 2 markers are there, and also which chapter is important with respect to boards, and which chapter fetches you how many marks, what are the type of questions that can come from, that is basically the scope of every chapter, right? So if you know all these things, there are small strategies that you can use so that you can solve the paper and you can get maximum marks. And of course, strategies of solving question paper also you should know with the given time. So time management is something which is very important, and you should be developing good time management skills, isn't it? So Board Pro deals with all these points. So we will be helping the students in achieving these points that we have mentioned here. Okay, so that means what are the features of the Board Pro program? So the features are that you will be getting a comprehensive video, chapter wise video, a recorded video, so of all the chapters, and you will be getting a fortnightly schedule of the videos that are being uploaded. So you can basically match with your school whatever is going on in your school, and you can even watch at at that convenience, in the sense whatever topic is being done or has been done in school, you can view it as a video here. As per that schedule, you can view it, and you have an exclusive booklet that is board type worksheet booklet of all the subjects, that is PCMB. So as of now we are focusing on mathematics and science subjects. So physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology, you will have a worksheet booklet which will consist of questions that are very close, or just like the way you have it in your reference books, or probably even in your question papers. Okay, so similar questions you will be getting in the worksheet booklet. So you can actually solve the worksheet booklet also along with the video that you are watching. So even in the videos, the examples that have been taken, they are all from the reference books that you people are already having with you. And one more very important thing is that the lectures, they are all based exactly on the scope of that particular chapter with respect to your boards. For example, CBSE, if you talk about CBSE, so the CBSE students, they will be needing to learn certain theorems by heart. They should know how to prove a particular theorem. So whereas ICSE deals more with the application of the those theorems. So there is a difference in the approach, right? So the CBSE students will have a very typically the CBSE type of videos that are recorded, and the ICSE students will have typically the ICSE application type of videos that have been recorded. So according to your boards, you can choose whether you are from ICSE or CBSE. State board also we have. In Karnataka, the state board syllabus is exactly the NCERT syllabus. Okay, so the NCERT syllabus or the NCERT syllabus will be referred to for CBSE as well as the state board students, whereas we have different reference books for ICSE students. Composite mathematics, we have the Salina publication, Concise Mathematics, we have ML Agarwal if I am talking about mathematics, right? So we have those reference books for the ICSE students. So that is how it will be exactly to the scope of the topic that you are learning, and to the level that you need to know for your boards. So that is one thing which is very important. So even the questions discussed also, as I told you, it is from the worksheet booklet, in which also we have taken care that it is very, very board oriented. Okay. In the end, we will also be having some full length tests. Now these tests will help you understand the question pattern, that is the question paper pattern, and secondly also the weightage of the chapters, of different chapters in your boards. So it will give you a good insight on how you should attempt that particular paper and how you should strategize so that you can get maximum out of it. And we have an interesting portal called as the Cubase. Okay, so the Cubase is a portal that is used by thousands of students now to clarify their doubts, and we are going to make the Cubase open to you people. So that means you can actually clarify your doubts through Cubase. And how does it operate? You can just click a picture of your question and send it across to the teacher. Okay, let me come a little more into the benefits of this particular program. Let's move on to the benefits. So the first benefit, as you know, because the lectures are all very, very board oriented, so it will directly help you score very good marks in your school. That is the first point. The second point is that we have teachers at base who are very, very supportive. They are perfect guides. Actually, they can guide you very well as to how you have to attempt the questions in your board examination. They will help you out. That is the second thing. The third thing is that each of you will be assigned a mentor. Okay, so what does a mentor do for you? Point number one is she or he will keep a tab of your progress and will keep a tab of the videos that you're watching and whether you're doing, you're solving those questions that are to be solved. Okay, I'm coming to the questions that are to be solved in the expectations. So there are a certain set of questions that we have, as a mandatory exercise for you people, so that you get practice on. First is how to solve the question, and secondly how to solve the question in the right procedure or the right manner, and the third is how much you have to write so that you can explain the question right to the marks that are allotted to you. Okay, so we do have experts back end who will be checking your answers and who can help you with the way you have to present your answers. So that is definitely a big benefit that you will be getting through the mentors. The mentors will also help you clear your doubts in other subjects, in the physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology subjects, PCMB subjects, science and math subjects. So all the subjects, she will be one point of contact. So you have any doubts in any subject, you can contact your mentor and she will connect you, she or he will connect you with the respective subject teacher so that you can clarify your doubts through Cubase, right? And Cubase also, within 48 hours, all your queries will be answered. Okay, so you post a question on Cubase and it will be definitely answered within 48 hours. Now coming to our expectations. So we have told the benefits. Now what is our expectation? So the first expectation is that obviously you should take part in the training program. Okay, and you have to take part really actively. That is a very important expectation that we always tell. Second thing is that you should have different books for different subjects. So physics, one subject, one notebook, chemistry, one notebook, mathematics, one notebook, and biology, another notebook. So all your notes, okay, and all the questions that you have asked as doubts and the solutions that you have received and the mandatory exercise that you have solved, everything should be in that one book. Okay. The third thing is that note taking. We expect you to take down notes. Okay, why is it very important to take down notes? So as I told you, we at BASE, we aim to make you independent learners, isn't it? And note taking is a very, very important aspect of becoming an independent learner. Okay, why is it so? Because when you're viewing a video, okay, sometimes what happens is you may just go switch off, right? Because it's after all a video, there's nobody asking you questions on it. So you might just close off for, let's say, for a minute or two. But if you are writing down notes constantly, such a thing will never happen. Okay, that is the first benefit of note taking. The second benefit of note taking is whenever you want to revise, you can take back that and the notes, and you can read from that. You will see that you already recall at least 60% of it. Believe me, it's more than 60%, but I'm just giving you, I'm being very conservative, right? So you can actually recall 60% of whatever you have written down there as soon as you look into your notes. That is the second advantage. The third advantage is that you would have compiled it all in one notebook or in one place. So you won't be searching it everywhere, or you need not review the video again and again to get the points, because your points are already there in your notebook. So there are a lot of advantages of note taking, and you will see that you will slowly become independent. writing down notes will become faster. Your multitasking skills will improve because you are hearing and you're writing down points. You need not write all that the teacher tells. You should write down keywords or key points that will help you recall in a much better way. So we will be insisting on note taking. The third thing is that, as I told you, we will be giving you a fortnightly schedule, and of that probably you will be watching a few videos. The mentor will keep in touch with you and find out the number of videos you have viewed. But along with the videos, we will also be flashing a few important questions that you have to solve mandatorily from the particular chapter on which you are viewing the video. So those questions are supposed to be mandatory questions, and the solutions of these questions you have to send it across through Cubase. The experts backend will analyze your question as to how you have presented it, whether it is whether it is correct with the board perspective basically, and or whether you have to improve on certain things, and wherever diagram is required, whether you have whether you have made the diagrams, whether you have made proper constructions, or whether you have made proper illustrations. So everything will be viewed back end, and you will be advised suitably. Okay, so those mandatory questions are the ones which we will be using to enhance the skill in you. So those are mandatory questions, and you will have to answer them and send it across to us. So these are small expectations that that we will be having towards you. So I think told you enough about Board Pro. I hope you have all understood the entire program. Now I think I should go to the different programs in base. So other than foundation, of course we'll be coming to foundation and NTSC in the next slide, but before that we also have something called as the IIT Achiever program. It's a 2-year program, obviously aiming at helping you towards your IIT goals. Then we have the Medical Excel. So those who are interested in going into medicine, we will be helping them do it through Medical Excel. We also have a program called Pre-Uni Plus. So Pre-Uni Plus is for the students who are attempting the CET examination and who are also focused a lot on getting very good marks in their pre-university examinations. And we have a crash course which is Excel CET. It's an intensive course which will help the students do their CET exams, common entrance test, very well. So these are the different programs other than the foundation program that I was talking about in the beginning. This is the foundation program for the school level students of 8th, 9th and 10th. So here we will be focused into delving the students deeply into the concepts, different mathematical and science concepts, and we have an objective of bringing out their scientific temperament and also to make them independent learners. Of course, that is an objective that we have, and also to train them towards certain competitive exams that they will be facing at the school level. One of them is NTSC, the National Talent Search Examination. Now the National Talent Search Examination, it is a 2-level exam. You have one at the state level and one at the national level. The state level exams is it is conducted by the DSCRT along with the KSEEB, that is the State Board of Karnataka in Karnataka, that's what I am telling. And the national level is conducted by the NCERT, and they have 2 papers. One is SAT and the other one is GMAT. Now SAT is, the meaning of SAT is Scholastic Aptitude Test, and we have subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, and we also have social science as one of the subjects in SAT. And in MAT it is mental abilities or the aptitude. So 100 questions of each paper, that is SAT 100 questions, 100 marks, and GMAT also 100 marks. And it's a scholarship examination, so those who qualify in NTSC, they get scholarship and also a feather in the hat. They are termed as NTSC scholars, and it's a very prestigious examination. So we train the students for the NTSC examination also. So this is about the foundation courses that BASE offers. Now let's move on to the results, this year's results. So if you see in ICSE board, we have 51 students who have scored 95% and above, and we have 84 who have scored 90% and above. And if we go on to the CBSE results, then we have 63 who have scored 95% and above, and 214 students have scored 90% and above. You can also see 28 centums there. And the state board, which was recently announced, we have 30 students who are 95% and above, and 40 students who are 90% and above. So that tells a success story. Thank you very much, and I hope I have been able to explain the program, which is Board Pro, and looking forward parents and students to consider this seriously and join us in BASE. Thank you very much.